Hello, good morning. Sobke welcome kuri ase achilaga khobor janai de ase. 28 Kuridang Assembly constituency de by election bi noloa ke de March 19 laga rati around 10 to 11 pm sna de Chongdia Busti under Mokokchung district de tuida candidate laga supporters majo de muk laga lagi hoigana pator mara baji kuri she hoigana Chongdia Wallace Council chairman ba khobor kuri dishe tai goshi ki area de IRB kan deploy kuri na rakhi thakia bra situation doile under control de anishe go ase police camera 14 jon manu ke arrest kurishe aru takhan doile police laga custody de ase goshe report te bi janai dishi ke edu laga incident howa laga homoi de punduk mara laga awas bi hunishe go ase edu laga doile ko official confirmation do nai edu situation sob sai gana mokchong laga deputy commissioner and district magistrate Ajit Kumar Verma bra Chongdia Busti de March 20 de curfew lagai dishe go ase curfew doile PNSS 2023 laga under section 163 doile Chongdia Busti de lagu gurishe 6 pm bra loigana 5 am dak further notice na thakya dak pangshon manubra opor manu jama no koribole laga directive dishe Dimapur Police Cambra Dimapur Railway Station laga platform number 1 de 40 sal ama ekta bra suspected 42 gram heroin doile pukiena ba karne police cambra taike arrest kurishe ko ase heroin doile tinda sob box laga bitor de taligena take she goshe tai laga opor de case register kurigena chanbin jai ase kwa laga janai dishe accused manu laga nam doile Roma Harsan goigena janebole dishe Naga Student Federations Kambra Nagaland State Government ge kwa se ge alag department kan de 109 illegal appointees kan thakya doile within 45 days laga machote terminate kuribole laga demand kurishe goshe Chief Secretary ge representation dia ge federations pa janai de ase ke advertisements kan na thaki kana NSSP noile Nagaland Public Service Commission laga turban noigena appointment kan doile government laga 16 department ge gurishe go ase federations pa janai de ase ke public service employment laga principle merit based recruitment transparency aro fairness laga principle ge undermine gurishe go na janai dishe federations pa janai de ase ke appointment do 2018 bra loigena 2023 laga machote gurishe go ase Post Kandoele, Nagaland State Transport, Public Health Engineering, Nagaland Public Work Department, Agriculture, Forest, aro alak department khande ase goina janai disha federations ba ko ase ke federations kwan ba ko ase ke post toile contract laga hisab te kurishe ko ase ad hoc noile temporarily engagement karne thagishe hoile bi proper procedure follow no kurena takan ge regularize kurishe ko ase state government ge urge kure ase ke idu laga opor de actions lobole laga janai dishe Sanjibudu district de NLTV Act 1989 laka under de thura laka mutu khandoile excise department kambra March 20 de 9 lakhs laka mutu kan sis kuri thakya doile destroy kuri dishe wasa official report laka hisab de mutu laka bottle doile 1635 thakishe wase date ram beer aro whiskey thakishe koi kana janai dishe police kambra sis kura laka saman kan doile pangai dishe goi ase aru edu laga dam doile 9 lakhs nisna takishe goi kana janai dishe East Dimapur Town Council aro East Dimapur Public Organization laga machote March 19 de sanitation service April 1 bra loigena pon hoi jawole laga opore discussion jaishe go ase East Dimapur Town Council bra press release issue gura ke janai de ase ge discussion de waste management laga dumping site opore charcha kurishe goshe taikam bra janai de ase ge immediate solution na thaki gena sanitation service discontinue kurishe gole do public inconvenience aro environment karne biya hobo go ase discussion there East Dimapur Town Public Organizations kambra concerned department khan ge East Dimapur Town Council khan ge nutun dumping site tibole laga opore janai dishe chidi fail huishu koile to East Dimapur Town de thakya laga manu khan bra eku options na thaki gena saman letra khan doile rasta laga osore phelabole laga olabo go ase etu doile health aro sanitation risks ase go ase East Dimapur Town Council khan bra aro go ase ke April 1 ba loigena public khan bra waste dispose kura laga mismanagement opore eku responsible to lobo ge na janai dishe ajila khobor iman de rakhi di ase chidi kumba manu nutun sai thakile moram bra subscribe like aro share kuri dibi goina request kuri di ase